ক্লিক করুন অ্যাপের বেল আইকনে আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবিপি আনন্দ। সব সময় থাকুন খবরে।
I greatly appreciate the massive cooperation shown by the people at considerable suffering during the lockdown period. Old and children came in for severe suffering. There is need for greater compliance of protocols during lockdown period, as any lapse can be disastrous. We have now to be more careful in unlockdown than in lockdown and not let down our guard. In Kolkata, large number of people come from various places for work, like Hooghly, Howrah, Burdwan, North 24 Parganas, South 24 Parganas, East Midnapur and Nadia. For their work, they cannot come by cab. They cannot afford to come by private arrangement. There is an effective mass transport system functioning so that their difficulties are addressed. I am sure the government is looking into the matter on an urgent basis. As a consequence of the unprecedented devastation caused by our environment and ecology has been severely battered and adversely impacted. To restore the same, let us all, and media has a great role to play therein, avail the opportunity of contributions on the World Environment Day, which is 2 days later, on June 5, 2020. The theme of 2020 is Celebrate Biodiversity, because 1 million species are facing extinction. I appeal everyone in the state to do their bit. As Chancellor, I have already called upon a few days back to all the Vice Chancellors to focus on plantations on June 5 in the campus of the universities. I would myself involve in tree plantations on June 5 at Raj Bhavan, Victoria Memorial, National Library, Science City and Flagstaff House at Barakpur. Coming to the recent unfortunate controversy in the education sector, I find these times are not opportune for such issues. I wish flare-up had not been there. To contain the situation in the interest of education, I have taken upon myself to lead from the front with a straight bat and find a resolution that generates wholesome vibes. It is my obligation as constitutional head and Chancellor of Universities to rise to the occasion and have a far-sighted approach so that such issues do not distract us from our focus to face the challenges before us. Such controversies are both painful and serve no larger purpose. Without going into the merits of reflections made regarding this, I would at the moment put quietus to the issue. I have had this morning a significant and positive dialogue with the Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Her response was remarkably affirmative and has generated a very hopeful scenario. In our dialogue, we were on the same page. I have urged her that in this matter she should take a call at her level. I am confident that the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, would use her judgment and discretion to find a way out and also have a mechanism in place so that such issues do not arise in future. I wish to close this unfortunate chapter with this interest, taking total note of the interest of education. Henceforth, in these issues, if occasion demands, situation warrants, I would be in touch with the Honorable Chief Minister. Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, from my perspective, is now seized of the matter. And I am sure she would use her judgment and discretion so as to strengthen the system. If need be, I would further have an interaction with her so as to generate seamless working. Our Vice Chancellors and teachers hold a unique position, and I have been a strong votary all through that the respect of teachers in the society must be at very high level. I am personally committed to it. All my life I have been committed to this. I need to reiterate my message on Teachers' Day on September 5, 2019, which is as under quote. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I have great pleasure in extending my greetings and regards to teachers. A characteristic feature of our culture and heritage has been Guru Shishya Parampara. Let us pray on this auspicious day that our Gurus continue to help and guide us individually and collectively in building a nation that would define by wisdom, peace and harmony, unquote. I can, friends, never ever act contrary to this.